Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Our topic for today is about how to use Google Bard. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Bard, which is a Google-made AI tool. Now, this is made to compete with ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you some useful features that this AI tool has because you can link your Google services and products with Bard AI. Also, it can essentially give you loads of information in one space. So what you want to do is to go ahead and go to Google Bard. Now to do that, go ahead and search for Google Bard. So head over to Google, and it should be the first one here, bard.google.com. So right here, this is Google's new AI tool. You can see here we've got some prompts. We've got to understand a prompt, create and explore, and below them, we have more sub-prompts that we can go ahead and click. So let's just type in, what is Google Bard? And voila! In a matter of seconds, you can see the results now. In the upper part of your answer, you can see that there is a few other drafts. It is the way of Bard if you don't want the first answer. It will give you options or regenerate new drafts. Also, Google Bard can now add images. It is just like Google Lens, but powered by AI. This feature helps you to analyze what kind of image that you sent, and you can customize your question, or you can even add a follow-up question. Note that this is just an experiment version, so some data may not be accurate on what you're trying to find out. You can also upvote this if it is a good response, downvote if you're not satisfied with the answers that came up, and you can also share and export this, and so on. So that's been a quick overview of Google Bard. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.